keep going. Let's play the center counter. I don't know why I'm playing center counter, but I am. Oh right, he plays this G3 stuff, right? Oh, he could go bishop C4 though. Reasonable move. I could take. I guess I should just take and play like knights. Okay, takes with a knight. I did not actually expect that. Could play a6 here. I think I will play a. This feels a little bit dubious when I'm playing this, but could have gone e5 too, maybe. But I don't know why I didn't go knight f6 either. I must develop here. I think bishop f4 is a little bit wrong from Bortnick. It's an okay move, but I think he's trying to find some quick way to win the game, and I don't think it exists here, basically. Let's go here. I had queen b4 too, maybe, but now I start to develop. I can go queen h5, maybe. Of course, that's a bad move. Or is it? Maybe not. I mean, it's not right, but it's maybe okay. It looks ugly. But I have two bishops if I can ever activate them. I mean, this looks very wrong, but I might get away with it, because if I get e6 in... Yeah, I've got to go e6. If I don't play e6, what am I even doing? And knight c7, I think I go king d7, and I'm actually just better. I think g6 couldn't have been right. Yeah, this isn't wonderful. Question is, do I have time? I'm gonna try to see if I can get away with this. Or maybe bishop d8 or something. I mean, he can always try to grab, but it's very risky. The thing is, he's going to use a lot of time here. That's the one good thing. So this is where I need to think, because I'm not playing very well, so if I'm not playing well, I need to... Wow, he goes for it. Amazing. I mean... If I don't go g6, what am I doing? Like, literally, what am I playing for? I mean, he's trying... This is a very risky move. I go king f8 takes. Let's go here and hit the knight. I mean, this looks very wrong to me. I mean, this just doesn't look right. Like, he's literally trapping his bishop, and I mean, I don't know if he's playing for the memes or what, but I don't think this is working. Okay, goes knight c5. Reasonable choice. Oh, and I blunder. What are you doing? I mean, do I have Ricky's... Wait a second. Let me see if there's some way to still survive. Typical evening title Tuesday where I have to blunder for no reason. And now I have all the pieces on the wrong squares. So bad. Yeah, it goes f5. Oh, I can't even... Oh, I thought I could move my king. I'm just actually blind. I'm actually blind. Actually blind. I thought I could go king f8 after king g7. Oh yeah, straight back into the regular evening title Tuesday programming, where I have to blunder. Okay, let's move the knight. Here. I mean, I'm trying to create some weird trick. Wait, he just let rook b. I mean, I can obviously... Okay, let's go here, try to win this. Or not win, but draw. Okay, now I can't lose. That's the good news. I can't lose anymore, but, like... Still a draw, though. Oh my god. Oh. It's still a draw, but... I mean, considering how lost I was, I shouldn't complain. Considering how lost I was, I can't really complain. I'm just right. I'm gonna just make a 50 move roll. I can't complain because it was completely lost, obviously, but still very bad. Yeah, still very bad.